I hear the train is coming. It's rolling around the bend.
Can you hear the train coming down the line? Warriors of faith, it's our time to shine. At Casa de Fruita, where the engines roar. We're hitting the road and we're ready for more. The train is coming, don't miss the ride. Unity and freedom standing side by side. August 9th to 11th, mark the date. Come make a memory, it's gonna be great. Campfires blazing, stories in the night. Motorcycles roaring, what a thrilling sight. Brothers and sisters, hearts full of pride. On this unity ride, we stand side by side. Feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your face. In this open road, we find our place. Laughter and love in every mile. Together we ride, together we smile. So pack your bags and fuel your soul. With warriors of faith, we reach our goal. The train is coming, it's almost here. Let's ride together with hearts sincere.
You want to make a memory this summer with your family? You got cabins, RV, hotel, Casa de Fruita, going to the beach Saturday with the Warriors of Faith. You want to make a memory by the fire? As Bon Jovi says, why not? August 9th through the 11th. Don't miss out. Casa de Fruita, the hotel, the inn. Don't want to camp, don't want to rough it? The hotel.